Okay, welcome everyone back to our lesson. This is kind of very interesting after you learn a lot of math, right? So now is the way how you can draw and you can code by yourself. Okay, so today a lesson is called the plotting tool in Bloch sphere. That is kind of part for introduction to the quantum computing and programming course. Okay, so today I will help you to introduce some of the tool to make sure you can draw about the quantum bit state to the in the computer and try to simulate some the result by yourself. Okay, so we look actually in this field we have a tool. First tool is called the Colab from the Google. Yeah, this kind of tool kind of web based and it's look very good. And actually, if you have a Google Drive and Google or Gmail, yeah, you can access the Google Colab very easy. Yeah, I think over here. So when you click right click over here, they have one of list of option, and the Colab is one of thing. The other way, if you do not want to click there, maybe you can find the Colab by Google and you can click there. Yeah, and if you see over here. Yeah, it's a similar like a Jupyter notebook, right? If you're familiar with the Jupyter notebook or code the Python, so it's very similar. Yeah, you can code and in the Colab is similar. You code in the Python or Jupyter notebook. So I would say the Google Colab is the GUI very friendly. Yeah, and I often use this method too, but have one thing. In Google Colab, that means they support a kind of different architecture. So if you want to work on the Google Colab, you need to make consistent in future. Every system and simulation need to follow the Colab. Yeah, because you cannot change the platform and to see if the result is similar. Yeah, something because the quantum computer in Google is different the quantum computer from the other branch. Yeah, so that's very important. But this one I suggest you can look. Okay, these are first method for the simulate the quantum computing and how you can represent the quantum bit. We'll look more detail. The other way we have the IBM the QSkit. This guy kind of the platform is very very friendly and can offer very high level in Python, and it's similar by Google Colab. Yeah, you can simulate the quantum program, and because when say currently the IBM progress in the quantum computer very quick, and they can support to the 1000 and more the qubit of the computer. So in this nature we will use IBM because this kind of platform very good for represent the qubit state. It's not look like the Google Colab. Google Colab is still in the early state. Yeah, early state. So in this part we will use the quantum. Yeah, IBM the quantum lab. So you can go to the Google. Yeah, you can search the IBM quantum lab. So you can go there and click the link. And they will provide you the one the GUI and account. You can log in. Yeah, you can register and log in and try to use some the coding. Yeah, and for example, this is the Python code to show how you can show the qubit 1 and qubit 0. Yeah, sorry, 0 and qubit 1. Actually, this guy pitch a code very very simple, right? So we learned about the qubit 0. Qubit 0 in private lesson. We lesson. This is a 0. So 0 is equal to. This is a vector in the quantum vector, right? And 1. Right? So you see. Initialize. So in the code, initialize with quantum. This one bit quantum bit 0, and this kind of value in the vector. Yeah, value in vector. Okay, this is similar. We quantum bit 1, and you can initialize in the vector 0, 1. And after we have this one, we can this one is the quantum computing, and we move to stack, and we draw. And we draw this kind of circuit. We draw this kind of circuit, and we draw in Bloch sphere. Actually, in this code, can tell you will draw in 2 parts. Draw in circuit and draw in Bloch sphere. Okay, it's 2 different. So let's see. So how? This one is a circuit. You have a 2-bit 0 and 1. You can draw in circuit. This one is this one is phi. This one is var phi. And after you have you can draw in the Bloch sphere. Remember, we have when qubit 0. You plot in the Bloch sphere. That is a north pole, right? It's not north pole. And qubit 1, if you plot in the the Bloch sphere, is a south pole, right? This south pole. Remember this part. So actually, this only recall the last lesson. To recall the last lesson, how we draw in the in some simulation program. So over here we draw in the Q-skit, from the IBM, from the IBM. This is one of solution, and here is how you can draw about the the positive and negative, positive, right, and negative. Remember, this is vector, the value. But for this one, from the last lesson, I will not teach you how to prove again. Over here, we only focus how to draw. So over here, if you move, this one is positive and negative. So you can see we can move to a value, right? Is we have 1 over square root 2, right? So you can type this one, math square root 2. Over here we have 1 over math square root 2, right? The similar over here, but over here have a minus, right? This is negative, so we have a minus, And after that we plot 2 parts. One is circuit, this one is circuit, and this one is Bloch sphere. Bloch sphere. So similar like previous lesson, we have this one circuit. This one is circuit. So if you see a circuit over here, you can have some different value. If you see about the this one is a value in the qubit 1 and 0, but this kind of value is 0. This kind of value. But after you use a negative, you can see this kind of value. And if you see in the Bloch sphere, you can see this guy about front, the positive, and negative it goes to the back. Go back in the back side. This front side. Okay. So that is how different between the the value. Okay. So this actually this is very simple. I hope you remember how to plot qubit 1, qubit 0, and how you plot the positive and negative. How you plot this, the quantum state in Bloch sphere or in the circuit. That's all. In the in the circuit and in the Bloch sphere. Bloch sphere. And the other, I hope you can look about the collapse or IBM Q-skit. So currently in our lesson, we focus in this one because the GUI is more friendly. Okay. So I hope everyone enjoyed this lesson. See you the next lesson.